Oh my God, I'm like so nervous about Tesla's earnings tomorrow. Oh. Welcome back, Strongman Personal Finance. So we got to do an earnings preview for Tesla stock. And I got some predictions for Tesla, okay? Number one, no matter what the earnings are, the stock is going to vertical line to the moon like it's never vertical lined before. And you want to know why? Because Tesla's earnings events are a circus. They're you buy a ticket and you go to the circus, okay? And you watch a clown try to perform. And when you go to the circus, you see like everybody else is watching this clown, but they think the clown is a legit person. They think the clown is like a legit speaker. They think the clown has intelligence. You see the clown as a clown. You're looking at a clown in the circus, right? He's like walking on his ball or, pulling beads out of his butt. You're like, that's a clown. And everybody else is like, no, he's really smart. You don't understand, Chris. That's what Tesla earnings feel like, okay? And the clown in this case is Clown Elon Scumrat, also known as Elon Musk. What Elon Musk is going to do is he's going to pump the stock like he's never pumped it before. Because remember, he just got a roughly 10% additional ownership interest in Tesla. And when he pumps the stock price, he can claim he's a billionaire because his ego is very tied up in his wealth. He's always competing with the other billionaires. I have more wealth than you. Even though it's fake wealth built off a fake fraud company. But his ego is really tied up into it. So he's going to pump the stock. And he's incentivized to do that because eventually he can exercise his stock options and sell the shares and generate billions and billions and billions of dollars to fund other projects like buying X and losing a ton of money. But that's besides the point. So Tesla's earnings, like I said, it doesn't matter what the earnings are, number one. But here's what the analysts' expectations are. So I looked this up. They're expecting $24.79 billion of revenue, and they're expecting 62 cents per share. Okay, think about that. 62 cents per share. If you annualize that, there's no growth in the earnings. So it's what, $2.40 something cents per share for the year, and the stock price is $250. Okay, so you're paying $250 for one share that's producing 62 cents per quarter. That's flat. That's a pretty high PE ratio if you think about it, okay? But, I guess a stock like Tesla deserves a premium. So they're expecting $24.79 billion. Last year, in the same quarter, the revenue was about $24.9 billion. So if analyst expectations are perfectly on the mark, Tesla's revenue is going to be flat year over year, or even slightly down, a slight decrease. So if you don't recall, ladies and gentlemen, Tesla, was supposed to be this company that grew 50% every freaking year. And of course, they're not going to do that. Of course, that never came to fruition because Elon Musk is a liar and a scammer. And instead, now the revenue and profits are basically flatlining and decreasing. So what do I expect is going to happen? Well, even if they miss, the earnings don't matter. Let's say they get 60 cents per share of earnings and their revenue is $23 billion. People are not looking for the earnings. The earnings don't matter, okay? You have to understand this about Tesla stock. Nobody cares about the earnings. Deliveries don't matter. Nothing matters except the bright future that Clown Elon promises people. So what really matters is the conference call. So, Elon, if he just rehearsed a little bit more and behaved himself, the stock would just go to $1 zillion per share, because that's all people care about. They want to hear Elon say, we're getting robo-taxis. They're coming at this time. We're getting FSD at this point, and, it's going to be fully viable, like actual full self-driving, not fake full self-driving, at this point, and our progress is this percentage. Optimus Prime, Optimus Slime. We're starting a new factory to build. They want to hear all the things that they want to hear about the future of the company, because people, they see Tesla as a car company when it's convenient. When they're growing the car deliveries and revenue massively, it's a car company that's going to take over the world. When car revenues collapse, and car deliveries collapse, then, okay, it's not a car company, it's actually a tech company. That's what they do, okay? So don't even read the earnings. It doesn't matter if they have collapsing margins. It doesn't matter if they have collapsing revenue. It doesn't matter if they have collapsing deliveries. It doesn't matter if they have collapsing earnings per share. The only or if they've peaked out in their market saturation, that's another thing. The only thing that matters for Tesla is what Clown Elon Scumrat says, okay? That's why the stock has gone insane over the last couple of months. Everybody's getting excited about robo-taxis, okay? And a bunch of degenerate clowns are gambling options and stuff. But people get swept into the hype. That's why this insane stock moves around like it does. So, of course I'll react to the earnings because, that's what I have to do. But I'm here to tell you, reading the earnings is pointless for Tesla because it doesn't matter to these people. All that matters is what Clown Elon promises, not delivers. Promises, okay? As they say, don't bet against Elon. Choose.